Hello guys, welcome back once again. This is the part 6 of our WCF TCP IP Duplex Chat Application. From this part, we will just continue straight from where we left the last time. So if you're with it, then stay tuned. So from the last bit, what we did was we actually worked on the log. We actually worked on the login click event. So this is what we do next. So as you can see, we've checked and we send the connect. So here, this is what we're going to do. This is what we will do. We're going to say Windows, a window, dot main dot children dot clear. So as you can see, we're gonna put as well window dot main dot children dot add. So we put in window dot main view. So that's what we're going to do for here for now. So now we come inside our message service. We go here inside our message. We go inside the service side, the message service. So here, once we get the connected, we could say user dot name just connected. So we will know that the user has just connected. So we can make this part as well read only. So as you can see, then the next bit is we're going to run. First we save it. We're going to run a project as a multiple instance. So right click the solution, we go to the usual stuff. So I'm going to pause it and do it since we're not. So we set it to a multiple starter project so we can start our service and we can start our desktop. So we apply the changes. So now we can fire it up and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, so now we've got it started and it's running. So we're just gonna enter. We're just gonna see. We're going to enter any username here. Then we press the login. Then obviously we're supposed to see that. Okay, you see Peter just connected, and then definitely we're going to get an error on the callback side because we've not actually implemented it. So as you can see, the callback side is not implemented. So we've been able to establish the connection and been able to send our user details to the service. So we will go ahead and make some more changes. So stay tuned. So first we're just gonna stop it from running. So now what we do is we just collapse this bit here, and we go inside the desktop and we open um, the chat layout. So as you can see, this is what we've got now for the chat layout. So we will make this bit here the background, and then the next bit, of course, is we're gonna make grid dot row definitions. So row definitions, height. So the first bit is 31. So we're just gonna copy this bit here. We're gonna paste it. We're gonna put a star inside this bit here. So we're gonna paste it here. Then this bit, we're gonna make it 60. So that's what we're gonna do for here for now. So the next bit is we come outside it here. So we're gonna put a grid, and then the grid, grid dot row is 0. Then we put a label inside, and the name will be title, content, we can just make it connected. We're just gonna put anything here for now because we're gonna change it, and we're gonna set the background. So we're gonna set the background color to 686868, and we're gonna set the foreground to white. And then this is what we're going to do. We're going to set the horizontal alignment to right, and we're going to set the margin to 1. So that's what we have for here for now. Okay, so this is what we do. Just before this grid here, we're going to put one bit here. So we're going to put grid dot columns definition. Then we're gonna put column definition width. Gonna put a star so that it will take all the width. So here we're gonna put. Okay, so before we go ahead, this is what we're gonna do. It's a horizontal content alignment instead. So you make sure you make that change, and we get on with it. So the next bit, of course, is we come here, then we put a grid, and then the grid dot row, this will be 1, and then the background will be beige. So this is what we've got for now, and inside this grid, we're going to put a scroll viewer. And we're gonna name it, put the name, content scroller. And then horizontal, we set the horizontal visibility. We set that to disabled. Then the vertical, we set the vertical to auto, and then the background to gray. So that's what we're going to do here for now. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do here for now. I'm going to stop it from here and continue from the next part. So, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do subscribe to the channel and catch up on the next video. Have a lovely day, morning, night, wherever you are. Peace.